Hi there, it's Sandra from Savvy Teaching Tips, and today I wanted to talk to you about a great little game that involves phonics and phonemes. And I got this idea from Susan Jones Teaching. I'll link her below so you can have a look at her. But anyway, I just wanted to talk to you about this great little game. It's super easy. All you need is a whiteboard. So here we go. Here's the whiteboard, and I've got two word families up at the top, and then I've got the initial sounds down at the bottom. And so what you need the class to do is they need to try and make their own word. So tell the students that we're going to make our own words, and when they tell me the word, they get to erase the letter. And I'm going to say, at. I'm going to point to the at. 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 I got the word at. Mat. Okay, the word mat. I'm going to erase the M. Great, done. Next kid. Who wants to do another one? Who can think of one themselves? Oh, and then one of the kids will put up their hand and say, I've got one. At, chat. And so then you give them the eraser and they erase the ch, and on we go. And then once you've got all the letters erased, it's time to move on to something else. It's so simple, so easy to do, involves almost no prep. And so then some extensions and ideas that I had about this is you could do this with the spelling words. So I like to use a program called Words Their Way. The main activity of this program is to sort their words according to the various sounds, because they're looking for the sounds in the words. The vowels, the initial sounds, etc. So the earlier lessons in this program don't actually use written words, they use pictures of words, and you sort the pictures according to the sounds. So instead of a list of words, the kids at the beginning of the K1 program, they would get a list made up of pictures for them to sort. So you could write all the beginning sounds of their words on the whiteboard, and then you have all the little pictures from the list cut up, and then you pull out, randomly draw one out, and then have the kids figure out which is the initial sound. So if you've got a cat, you pull out the cat, you go, oh, cat. Or you don't even have to say the picture, you just go, everybody look at this picture, can everybody see it? Okay, what's the first sound? Kids who pick the first sound, they get to get up and erase the sound. It's very thrilling. You could do this with older children, working on vocabulary words for a unit. So like, let's say you're teaching about the water cycle and you've got the words precipitation, condensation, and evaporation. So write them up on the board and then get the kids to, whoever can say the word, come up and erase it. Basically, you could adapt this game to suit almost any topic. It's so simple. Kids love it. It's super engaging. I love the fact that kids have to get up and go and do something and come back down. It keeps those little wiggly ones moving, and it teaches them early reading skills at the same time. So that's my video for today. Thank you for hopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ring that bell, and also don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Savvy Teaching Tips, and my Instagram, Savvy Teaching Tips, and my TikTok at Savvy Teaching. It's all linked below. Thanks. Bye for now.